my name is Rolfan and I'm back with another video. And in this video, I'll teach you how to change the logo and the captions of our game over here. Let me just run this and show you. So you can see over here that currently a Pygame window actually has a Python icon over here, and it has this Pygame window caption over here. We'll have to change that. So before I change, let me just clean this code up a little bit. Hashtag importing modules. Just to tell the reader what's happening over here. It makes it a bit more readable and thus looks more sophisticated. Initiating Pygame, and this is where we are going to be the screen, the icon, and our text caption, whatever you want to call it, you can call it. And this is going to be the most important part, which is the while loop. So we have to really take care of this part as it's the main part of our program. Without this, nothing would work. And let's just set up our captions first because it's easier. So first, let's just get a variable over here, pygame dot display dot set caption to Flappy Bird or whatever you are making currently. And when we run this, you can see that this is now Flappy Bird. And in the new Pygame 2.0.0, yeah, there's actually no need to initiate the variable. Instead, you can just, well, do this. And it runs just as good and saves you a lot more space. And the other thing we've got to do is actually get an icon. So let's make an icon variable over here. Icon is equal to pygame dot image dot load, and we have got to get a cute little Flappy Bird transparent image. This looks pretty good. You can choose what you want, and actually this looks better. This looks way more simple and this real good on our eyes. Let me just download this over here, and it's taken some time. Let's download this of 6 KB, and it's already started. Let's go to our folder. Let me rename this to something more subtle, something like Flappy Bird in fact. And now let me drag this into our Python project and add this over here, refactor, and that's all we needed to do. Now we need to write down the exact name of the flappybird.png. As you can see over here, well, what I do over here, I don't need an escape sequence. um, Let me just write this again. Yes, flappybird.png. And now, and there's no need to initiate the variable again over here. You just write down dot set icon, and you can just give the variable name where you stored the photo in or the png file, anything in. You can see over here it's actually changed, but this looks a bit distorted, and that's because let me just remove this and add this again. You all can see that this actually 409 by 289, which is not the recommended one when you need an icon. It's actually 32 by 32, but as I have no other choice, I'll have to use this for now. You can I'll make another video in which I change it, and I guess it'll be the next video, but you're just going to work with this now. And now when we run this, yep, it still works just as good. We can close it, nothing's broken. And yes, this is a lot better. Let me just space it out a little bit so it doesn't look congested. That does not look good. And yes, this does look way better. So I guess this is it for this video. And in the next video, I'll just go over some more important topics. And this is the end. I'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye.